Hey guys, welcome back to Damn Talk Show. So today's video is gonna be a little different. Today I'm gonna show you how to make cheese chili paratha. Yes, I love chili, and from the name of the dish, you know that chili is my favorite. I love spicy food though. I also love sweet, but still. So today we are going to learn how to make cheese chili paratha, and of course I am not going to do it alone as I'm small. So someone is going to help me make the cheese chili parathas. So yes, let's get into the video. So guys, this is our ingredients to make cheese chili parathas. So we need two types of cheese. You can even use one. This is oregano, herb, salt, pisi hui mirchi. You can only use this if you want it to be spicy. Green chili. Then this is dhania, mashed potato 1. This is atta. This is chili flakes. So now I'm going to tell you ahead how I'm going to make the cheese chili parathas. So guys, right now we have to add mashed potatoes in the atta. We'll use 1 potato. Right now we are going to add chili flakes. You can add the bottle also, and if you have this, then oh wait, it did not open. So we are going to open chili flakes, and now we are going to add. I'm going to add 1 packet here. Then we are going to add salt. 1 spoon of salt. Now then we are going to add dhania. So we can take dhania how much ever we want. It is just for good taste. Now we are done here with the atta. So now we are going to add water and gundofy the atta. I say gundofy in my language. So just going to make the atta, knead the atta actually. So now we are going to add water, and I'll show you when the atta is ready. So guys, we are adding water over here for making the atta. So we are adding pisi hui mirchi here right now to make it more spicy. It is not compulsory. I am adding it because I like spicy food. So yes. So guys, the kneading of the atta is done. Now we are going to keep the atta away from 15 minutes, and till the time we will start the masala thing. We will start making the masala. So let's go. Guys, till the time our atta is resting, we are going to make the masala. And first of all, we are going to grate the 2 types of cheese which we have here. Grating the first type of cheese. We are grating the second cheese here. Guys, now we are chopping the green chilies in very tiny pieces. So we are just going to chop them. And then we'll add these green chilies in the masala. So now we are going to put these green chilies in the masala. To add 1 more packet of chili flakes. Now we are going to add pisi hui mirchi. That's it. So not too much also. Then now we are going to add salt, coriander, means dhania, and oregano or herb. So first we are adding salt again in this to get the taste. That will be enough salt. Then we are going to add the oregano. That's it. Now not too much again, everything in the right quantity. Now we are going to add dhania. That's it. And now we are just going to mix the masala. But 1 second, not with hands. We'll do it with a spoon lightly because we do not want the masala to stick a lot. So we are just going to mix it lightly. Not too much mixing. We are done with our masala here. Now we're just going to wait 10 more minutes for the atta, and then we will start making the parathas. So guys, we have it's been 30 minutes and the atta is ready. So now we are going to start making the parathas, and now you'll see how we are going to make the parathas, and just follow. And now we are going to take some stuffing. That will be enough for one paratha. Now what we're going to do is we are going to join the paratha together so that the stuffing does not fall off. As you can see, it just looks like a cute little momo. And then we'll take the excess off. And now we'll make the paratha. So this is our first paratha making. Let's see how does it look at the end also. We are going to make it slowly as it will break or the stuffing will come out. So yeah. So guys, now we are done with making this big will be a one paratha, and now we'll heat up the paratha on the pan and make it. So yes, let's see. So guys, you're making first first you're just filling all the fillings inside these, and then we are making, and then we will turn on the gas at one time only and start making, so the parathas will remain hot. So yes. So guys, our paratha is on the gas. Now we are just going to let it cook, and I will show you the parathas after it is cooked. Guys, it started to cook, and you can put butter or ghee, whatever you want on the top to eat with. So now let all the cook, and then I'll show you the final result. So guys, the parathas are done over here, and now they look so yummy, and this was a recipe for today, cheese chili parathas. So yes guys, we are done here. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope you remember. Bye. See you all next week, and don't worry, there are so many videos coming up so soon. So yes guys, thank you for watching the whole video.